Here's our radar tutorials. We're going to keep each of these videos very short and just deal with one thing in each video. And the first thing you're going to do once you've signed up is go to your settings. We don't really need to show you anything in the settings apart from the channels and how to set up your channel. So you click channels and you can see I have already set mine up, but it was so easy. And I think you will find it a breeze as well. They do have a video and instructions on how to connect each channel. But when you set up your YouTube, it logs into your Google account for that name, the Facebook, the Instagram, everything. You probably know about this thing with Instagram, that to be able to use these auto posters with Instagram, you need to have a business account, and the documentation is there, but read up on that yourself. But simply to connect your accounts with Radar, you press the connect button. Facebook page is there already if you wanted to do that, but you just go through the list, scroll through, and you can see that you can connect all of these different sources. And the good thing is, depending on which account you've got, if you've got 2 Facebook pages and 2 YouTube channels, you can connect them all. So you've got your Facebook page, Facebook group, Instagram business, and Twitter, and you just click on one and click connect. So it does have a training video if you feel you need to do it. But sign in with your Google. It's telling me I've already got the services, but this is exactly what you will do. It will connect your YouTube channel and you will see your YouTube channel there. If you want to connect another channel and connect your Facebook pages, it will go onto your Facebook pages. If you've not already given it permission, it'll ask that in the first step, and you scroll through your Facebook pages and you simply select the one that you want to connect and just go through the list. TikTok is still in beta, but it's worth connecting it now. Twitter was easy to connect, and that's the first thing in the first video. That's all you need to do, is get your channels connected. And in the next video, we're going to teach you how to post and schedule your posts. Bit of a longer video coming up.